Hi everyone. For any real number a, where a is greater than 3, we have a squared plus 9 divided by a squared equals 15. We're going to find the value of a cubed minus 27 divided by a cubed. And basically all we're going to be doing is using advanced factoring techniques. So basically we're just taking what you know already and rewriting them by subtracting out a term to make them equivalent. So for example, for us, we have this one right here, this first one. So basically, if I have a squared plus 9 divided by a squared, then that means, we have too many a's and b's, but the first term here, let's just let this be x squared plus y squared. So my a is my x, and my b is going to be 3 divided by a for my y. All right, so I can just rewrite this as, and I'm going to use this formula here, a minus b squared plus 2ab. And again, this is just rewritten to simplify. So if I simplify this, this would be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, and then we have plus 2ab. These cancel out, so I'm back to my original. So that's all these advanced techniques are. So I'm going to use this formula here. So that's going to give me a minus 3 divided by a. So I just took the square root of these here. And then we're going to have plus 2ab. So 2 times a times b. And this equals 15. What happens is the a's cancel. So basically we have, and this is squared by the way. So we have a minus 3 divided by a squared equals, this is 6. So when you subtract the 6, you get this equals 9. All right, now solving for a, let's square root both sides. We get a minus 3 divided by a equals 3. And usually when you square root, you get positive and negative, but our a has to be greater than 3. So since our a is greater than 3, I can cross multiply and let this equal, let's see, 3a is going to be less than 1. So that's just simplifying for a. All right, now let's look at this right here. All right, now that we have that, we can simplify everything. We have this term here, our a minus 3 divided by a. So what I'm going to use is this formula right here. All right, and that's going to give me a cubed minus 27 divided by a cubed. Now that one, if you cube root everything, my first term is just going to be a, and if you cube root this one, you're going to get 3 divided by a. So that's all we're going to use for our formula given here. So that's going to be a minus 3 divided by a cubed plus 3 times a times 3a, and then we still have the a minus b again, so it's going to be a minus 3a. All right, now this is going to simplify to this right here, we know is 3. So we have 3 cubed plus, this is also 3, so 3 cubed, 3 times 3 is 9, and then times 3, because this, using substitution, this is 3. And this is going to give you 54. So that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.